Hey, what's going on, Gearheads? Welcome to Gear Cafe. I'm here in the Explorer because we have it finally on the street and she is rolling. She's looking great, but honestly, it has not been clean yet. Let's do a walk around and I'll show you what she looks like now, and then we'll do a before and after. How's that sound? All right, Gearheads, so let's start over here on the driver's side. You can see that the floor is absolutely filthy. She definitely needs a vacuum, and she needs to have the carpets like steamed and literally a good scrubbing. I want to show you all the detail stuff because honestly, this is the stuff that we always look at when we bring our car to a detailing company. So we're going to be going over to Total Detail for a complete scrubbing. And I'm very, very excited because honestly, this thing needs it. It's been neglected for many, many years. And I just wanted to show you really what it's like to have to bring your vehicle there, and you know what it will look like after it's done. All right, Gearheads, welcome back. We have the Explorer. She is in our possession and she looks fantastic. You know what, I couldn't be happier, and I owe a massive thanks to Total Detail for taking care of my baby. I'm very, very excited, so let's just jump into it. All right, guys, now let's start back at the rear of the Explorer again. If you look, I know I got some of my mess. I know I got to clean it up, but I was blown away by how plush the carpets came out and how well they were scrubbed, and the amount of detail and the cleanliness of everything is absolutely astonishing. Like, the entire trims are taken care of. You can eat off the door jambs. You know, it's such a beautiful vehicle, and you know what? Honestly, with this entire detail completed, she looks fantastic. And like I said, I owe a massive thanks to Total Detail because they do such a great job, and they really took care of the Explorer. Just look. Just the handles are like scrubbed clean, the trim's done, the door jambs are done, the center console looks fantastic. And I couldn't be happier from the way it turned out. All right, on the driver's side, you can see the mats were scrubbed. That's just from my dirty feet since I drove it over to the park here. And you know what? Leather's needing a bit of maybe refurbishing, but for being 20 years old, it's okay. Total Detail really made her look a million times better, and I'm super, super thankful and excited by the way it turned out. You can see the plushness of the carpets that came out. They look brand new, and they're still damp too, but it looks fantastic. I love it. And once again, thank you to Total Detail for taking care of my Explorer. I know we have a lot more work to go, a lot more modifications. Basically, all we've done so far is just clean it and put that bullet antenna on. And you know what? She's looking great, and I'm really, really excited to see all the new projects we have for Project Black Panther. And I know you guys will too. Take care and do what moves you.